Here is the engineer project that you could make. It's a mini catapult or a mini trebuchet. Here are the finished products. One is a catapult that's powered by a rubber band. The other one is a trebuchet that has a falling weight power the arm. Now your first step is going to be to research online some different options that you have. People have done all sorts of projects like this, and if you go to Google and just search for do-it-yourself catapult or trebuchet, you'll be able to find lots of pictures that hopefully give you some good ideas. The second step is going to be to brainstorm multiple solutions to this project. Step 3 will be deciding which machine you will build it on. You could use the laser cutter, carves, or 3D printers, for example. Step 4 is to make a sketch of your design. Next, you're going to need to gather your materials. You will cut and then assemble your project at this point. Now as I look at this project, I can see that the trebuchet was not made to be tall enough to work, so I'm going to redesign it and remake it at this point. Now, when I'm finished, I'm going to make sure I follow all of these steps as I am turning it in. Here's one last look at what we made in this project.